Alright, welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 hour to make the best game ever. Okay, we got quite a lot of stuff to do. The first order of business is getting w3dview in, which I've been saying for 2 weeks already. There's just so much to do, I can't get anything done here. Okay, so this one also needs to be submitted. Files are identical now. Okay. Okay. Well, then we can actually merge this one. If they are now identical, then we can merge this. Fixing missing empty line. Yeah. Okay. Fix replace CLC checking. Okay. Implement feature to verify. I think empty line has not been placed at the correct place, no? Oh man. What is happening? Follow up. It doesn't look the same. It does not look the same. How are you comparing this? It does not look the same. Well, he said he uses git diff. Please check your git diff tool. It seems to be wrong. Yeah, this is definitely not the same. Like the blank line should be on this line, not before this one. So I don't know how he's diffing this. Seems to be he's using buggy tools. Yeah. Good. Then we have to skip that for now until he has his diffing sorted. Okay, what do we have here? Tested in my debug runtime fix branch in debug and release, and I don't see this issue. Did this issue happen before you fix this? No, it does. Does this issue happen before you fix this? Good. Let's go to. Oh man. So this tool. Okay. So game code. So we go to JLalas. We get this guy. Okay. Then we go to this thingy here. Then we go to this one. So here Thompson has deleted a whole bunch of files. Yeah. So he deleted RC file, this one, which he should have not deleted. Okay, so what we do now is, can we recover them from here? No. How do we recover these files? I think we need to go to main, yeah. And pull latest. We go here, we do revert this commit, revert commit. Then we unstage everything. And we only RC file, where is it? R, here. So these guys and RC file. Where's it? R. I don't see it. Where's RC file? Huh? Why is it not showing up in here? Yeah, here it is. Okay, so this one we take, and this one. So this is only for generals. Let's do the same for 0 hour. This one, this one. And CMake CMake RC file RC file. There we go. Okay, so these guys reinstated. Good. So so we create a new branch. re-add RC file. Then we do re-add RC file, re-add ww Vegas, ww lib, RC file, for w3dview. This partially reverts commits that. There we go. Then we take all this junk and we reset that again. Reset. Thank you. Good. Good. Then we take this guy and we push it back up. Push. Replace tracking reference. Good. So follow up for, what was it? Follow up for this one. Review please. Good. Then I will test this now on w3dview, but first we need to, first we check if there have been updates to this guy. Let me see. No, he didn't update it. Then continue. Okay, that has worked. Good. So here he adds the original files, yeah, and here he adds again. He adds it without header files. Huh? What? What is this doing? What? Oh, okay. I see. Now that looks weird. That doesn't make any sense here. Because, it does. It passes temp matrix here. Okay, let me see this guy. Build matrix. Huh? Why is this function so weird? Why does it why does it have an in-out parameter or an out parameter, but also a return of the same thing? What is this bullshit? How's this used? That's wild. That is wild. This is unused code that wouldn't compile any longer here. Allow temporaries. I think they were afraid of returning the matrix. Like was return value optimization not a thing in VS6? Huh. Oh, that's stupid. Okay, but then let's see. Let's actually review it in here. No, let's look at this here. Okay. Okay, so this looks correct. He also replicated the spacing here. That's fine, yeah. Okay, so there's that, there's that. Mm-hmm. Hmm. What is this here? Mm-hmm. Rotation matrix, okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. Hmm. So Matrix 3D Mull. Matrix 3D Mull. Mull. Ah, okay. Mm-hmm. Why did they remove the operator then? Why is this now just a function name and not a operator? Multiplication operator. Huh. That's strange. Okay, but this looks fine to me here. Mul vector 3. Why did they change it like that? That's so weird. Hmm. Okay, that's interesting. So here I changed lerp animation channel class to primitive. But the lerp animation channel class still exists here. Why is this done? Why is the primitive? Why did he change this? Can we go to GitHub/Electronic Arts /renegades? Can we search for? How do we search here? Here. Prim-enum. Can we maybe see more here? Okay, so it looks fairly similar to what we're seeing here. Yeah, looks pretty much identical. So why is it Why did he change it? Ah. Annotation matrix, yeah. Okay, looks like the changes are correct. Here we should have a comment maybe. Let's open CMake. What am I doing? Good. So generates good. Got that done. Reloads. Why is it not showing the W3D here? It's here. Ah, because the header files are missing. That's why. Ah, man. Have to do everything yourself. List files in folder. Batch. Codes. generals md code no, where is it? Code tools there, w3d view. Oof. cd the command here, copy, paste, copy, so let's see, make create fix up commit. Paste. Remove these. Should RC file be in here? Let me see. So here we have word builder RC, and it's not in here now. Yeah. Okay. Good, then these go out. What is resource HM? Oh man. Okay. .h that. .cpp cpp. I think there was also a capital H somewhere. Yeah. Any other? Do we have all caps CPP? No. Good. Good. Take this guy. Good. All right. Blah, blah. H task. What is this here? Good, so we should now be able to configure again. Generate. Good, so this now adds the headers. Da, 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 da. And the CPP here. Huh. How did that work before? We didn't add some of the CPPs here. That's wild. Oh, man. So is this CPP and this CPP missing? How would this tool then still work? That's wild. Okay, so this should fail compilation now because of the missing RC file. Right? Okay. I'm sorting out w3dview from JLLS. Okay, so error. There you go. Okay, so there's a bunch of errors here. Oof. Okay, here's the error for the include file. That's fine, that's expected, but this one is unexpected. Sound object class. Oof. Where is this coming from? Huh. If no WW audio. Huh? Is this something that was compiled out before? Let me... Any reason? Sphere utils. Texture. This one. Any reason these were not compiled in? Were not compiled into w3 into the tool. Let me put that as a code comment here in the CMake. Here. No. Huh? Okay, it looks like oh man. Here, this one. Yeah, so this one, that 1, 2, 3. 3 CPPs were missing. Yeah. Okay, let's add this fix up. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we have this error here. Why is this erroring? Sound edit dialog. Yeah, so by the looks of it, things are not compiled in here, right? No WW audio. Removing dependency on WW audio. Removing dependency. think maybe what we should do here, we set no WW audio yeah. Does this have a... Oof. No, no, no. That's a problem, isn't it? Define no WW audio 1. So by hackers add fix 0504 2025 compile in WW audio for w3dview tool. So add compile. For renegades. Okay, let's see if they are compiled. Nope. Sphere utils. So maybe he did not compile it in because there were a bunch of things missing. What is this thing? Oh man. He also didn't really explain what he did, right? Let me see. No, there was no description, nothing. So he did not explain to us why he just threw it out instead of like adding the functionality for it. Like, what is the reason for this? I can see that it doesn't compile, but then what is the rationale for throwing this out? Level edit. Project name, level edit. sphere utils. Sphere keys class. Is this used anywhere? Let me see. Oh boy. Tool is dying. Okay, it's not referenced anywhere. Okay, if the sphere keys class is not used, then okay, we can remove it. Fine. We go to what was it? Sphere utils. Unused. Is this only this class in there, or is there more? Hold on. Sphere keys class. That's it. Yeah. Okay. And this one is nowhere used. Okay, that's fair. Unused. Unused. Unused and does not compile. Good, then let's try that. Okay, there's still an error here. New ref. What is this? New ref. Is the sound edit dialog? Is this one that was missing? Hold on. No. Let me save this one here. Okay, new ref. New ref. Set ref owner. Set ref owner. Set. What is this bullshit? Oh. No overloaded function takes 2 arguments. If not defined and debug. Is that because of this here? Man. N debug new ref set ref owner set ref. What is this here? No overloaded function takes 2 arguments. Are there any other use cases of new ref? One, two. Yeah, here. New ref. That. The arguments look different, right? A little bit. Fuck. Okay, so here we have another case where it passes this. Yeah. Why is it? I don't understand why it's complaining here. New w3d source line 0. Sound render object dev class. Okay, let's look at the constructor of this guy. Aha. Okay, so this is inside w3dview audio. Where's the search? Here. It looks the same, doesn't it? Aha, but this is different here. Aha. So I guess we have to remove this guy. Yes? No? No instance of constructor. Okay, but we changed it now. Let's try again. Okay, we got it down to just this one. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. Fantastic. So the other things, let me double check. Let me double check the texture manager dialog if that is not used anywhere. This guy. Oh. Oh. w3D DX8. Is that used then? Huh. Okay. Seems to be unused. Class. Okay, let's see if this guy is used anywhere. It's not. Okay, that's why he commented out, because it's not used. Let's see this guy. This one is unused as well. Okay. Is this used anywhere else? Okay, so but this guy is not used in here. So I guess we don't care. Maybe. What does this dialog do? I'm a bit suspicious about this. Is it supposed to be compiled out? I see that w3d dx8 is let's make this let's go to texture. w3dview. Why don't I see texture? Here. w3d is compiled out. Is it supposed to be? Okay. Let's go to sound R objects. Let's just add a comment here. Sound render object dev class could not symbols could not be found on compile. I went to what is it? Sound R object. I went to sound R object dot h and added define no audio 1. Then it compiles. Then it compiled. How was this working without that? How was this working without that? Can we search for who is including this guy? Sound R object.h. Who is including this? One of these guys here. Yeah. I don't know how he got it to compile without these fixes. Let me actually put this comment into sound edit dialog. Sound edit. Sound edit dialog. Is this guy right? Yeah. Sound render object class could not be found on compile. I went to that and added define, then it compiled. Could not be seen. Then it could be seen. Good. So this one we can revert. Fix up commit. So this one we need to fix up. All right, commit. Compile errors via 6. Okay, this one was also still an open question. Lerp animation channel class. Why did he put this there? Let's see. I mean, this guy. So in w3dview, he casted this guy ring scale channel class. It is a lerp animation channel class. Why did he change that? Key class is inaccessible. Well, just make it public. There we go. That works. Then let me add comment for this guy. Oh man, I think it's more work to fix up this commit than just doing it myself from scratch. Really, it's outrageous. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. It would have been much easier to just do it properly from scratch. Oh man. Oh man. This change was not correct. Instead, the visibility of that key class needs to be public, fixed. This change is not correct. There you go. Next. So that was part of VS6. This guy, advanced, fix up commit. Let me actually double check that it compiles first. Okay, so we take these guys and these guys and this guy. Then we commit this. Next. So this one is also needed for VS6, right? For this one. Compile. Is this used anywhere else? This in any other header file? No, it's just in there. Okay. Okay, so far it looks very good, and now we should be able. Actually, there's one more thing. Oh, we still need to look at this guy. Yeah, hold on. So, what is this here? So this stdafx here. stdafx.h here. Here we need to put a comment like we've done here. Here, compile jlalas 0504. 384. 384. Prevent action from. But this should not be part of this change here. Or should it? Maybe. Yeah, maybe it should be part of this. Here I'm missing also some documentation. Let me search for this guy. Okay, whatever. Okay, and now we need to look at this guy. Static cast const char. Oh boy. Okay. This doesn't look quite right here, the way he did this. Oh man, what is happening here? This is not the way we did it in all our other changes. We always did it like this. Yep. Huh. H task or D word. Again, this is not right here. Color bar. Well, I guess in this case it's fine the way he did it. Hold on. No, it's not. He did it incorrectly. Hold on. This one here should be here, like this. Yeah, that's the way it should be. And then here, like this. Oh man. Maybe we just put it here. Yeah, this is correct now. What is this here? Again, this here is wrong. Well, not technically wrong, but it's not the way we fixed it with all the other cases. The way it's supposed to be written is this guy here and this gone. Done. No? In this case, it's fine, I guess. Yeah. Row. Yeah, he's fine. He did it good. Yeah. Good. Never mind then. Here. Oof. Here he did the spacing wrong. Let me ask Thompson's regarding oh man. Thompson's is w3dview supposed to be compiled out from w3dview, or do we need to get that in? It appears to concern a bunch of things. Okay. Let's get back to this. Okay, I think this one is fine as well. What about this one here? Yeah, I guess it's fine. Conscast. Oof. Conscast. Yeah. Yeah, I guess it's fine. H task or D words. Can't we just I don't like this here. I don't like this. This looks strange. Why don't we just say H task? What is this? H task. It is here. It's a void star. If not defined, win32, and not defined, whatever that is, and not defined that. Okay, both of these things are defined. That's weird. Oh, I'm not a fan of this thing here. So it's only used in 2 places? Huh. Well, that's not many. Why don't we just say... Why don't we just say... let me find that number. Yeah. If define that. If type def void star h task and if. Okay. Then we search for h task. Then we put this back in here. Ah, hold on, it should be in the header, not in the CPP. H task. There we go. Who's calling this? No one. It's really strange. H task. Okay, still complaining. Unactivate app. Oh, it actually takes a D word. Thread ID. Okay, then how about we say... D-word. Maybe it's not too bad with H task or D word, but we simply don't put it into here, but put it actually in code. So we put that here, but then here we say type def dword. Else h task. Because here it's a little bit sneaky, right? So let's take these guys and remove that. Okay, let's see if that compiles. Okay, so this would be part of this guy. Set target properties. Let me take this guy here as well. Remove this guy. And let's go here, fix up commit on this guy. And here we add this w3dview. Okay. Then next, here we can add another thing where we remove these guys here. Probably should also have been removed here. It is already removed. What is this here? Okay. Maybe it should be called like that. Okay. What happened? Okay, next. 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 Okay. Okay, is there anything else that we need to do other than adding this RC file thingy? Okay, we should do the following. We take this guy, we cherry pick this commit, and we just put it into our staging just so that we can test that it works correctly. Yeah, we unstage this guy. Yeah, and then we see if that compiles. Yeah. No, it does not. There is a linker error left. Haha. Unresolved external symbol. Oh, that's interesting. But we defined it to 1. What's the problem? Oh. Oh. It's not in... Oh. I see. This needs to go here. There we go. Let's try that again. And that compiles. Fantastic. Okay, we also need to double check that on VS6 if that compiles. So cd, we built all the tools, everything in release. Yeah. Oh, error. Huh. Oh, right. Mm-hmm. Good. So this change needs to go to this one. Yeah. Mm-hmm. There we go. Good. So we let this run through. And I think this means we can merge the we can merge the RC file change, which needs a review. Someone needs to review this, please. Build minor. Need a review for, please. Let me remove this one here. Okay, while this compiles, let's check if the Visual Studio 2022 build of that tool runs. Builds Win32. Win32 release. No, where's this? In here, right? What did we build? Debug. Debug. Well, hopefully it doesn't crash. Haha. 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 Okay. I see. Okay. I think the problem is then. Where's the... Is it in here? Ah, it's here. If target w3dview w3d dump put it here at the bottom. Okay. Let's configure. Good. Go to install. And let's go ahead. Build. So now it should install wdump and w3dview. Well, that takes a long time. Jesus Christ. Why is it taking so long to copy some files? What is this? Ah, I think it's when you copy a file into the C drive here, then the Windows Defender will scan this file for viruses and stuff. Yeah, I think that's what takes so long. Okay, so can we now run this program from here? Let's see. w3dview. Well, not really. REL stream volume. Entry point not found. Wow, is it so slow? Launching w3dview will produce error. Okay, good, but it compiles. Let me push. Actually, this one, CMake, we can add that to the CMake setup. Good, let me push this guy up. There we go. Good. Then we finish our review. Fixed up a bunch of things. Problems remain. App does not launch with VS 2022 build. Actually, how did this proceed? Okay, there's some compile error. Why is that? Oh, because the build debug on should be false. Oh, what is this? Jesus. Let's try this again. The macro needs to be figured out. Push the fixes for w3dview so far. Needs more work. Taking a break. RC file needs submission. Please review. Good. Yeah, it's not going very swimmingly here with this tool. It's not nice. But yeah, we eventually we figure it out. Okay, I will take a break now. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.